addition of vectors. So how to do addition of vectors? Because the vectors are not obeying the ordinary algebra, there are some certain rules how to add algebra. We'll see one by one. So first one, addition or a subtraction. Take here, addition or a subtraction of vectors. So now addition of two collinear vectors, or two parallel vectors. So first one, addition of two vectors. Which vectors? Collinear vectors, or you can say two parallel vectors. So let us consider two collinear vectors. Did you remember what are the collinear vectors? Opposite directions. Right. So collinear definition in re, who will say? Okay, right. They have a equal or unequal magnitudes, or they are acting or moving in the same direction or opposite direction. So let us consider those two collinear vectors are acting in the same plane. Vector A, this direction, let us take it as a OA. Another vector moving in the same direction, let us take it as a vector B, and this will be OB. Just look at the board. I am considering two collinear vectors, or you can say it is a parallel vector. Parallel vector means what? Two vectors having the same direction or moving in the same direction. Magnitude doesn't matter, right? Now, how to add these two vectors? Simple ಇದೆ. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ vectors ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ they are given two vectors na. So one vector and another vector should be coincide with the head and tail. Head match ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Head to head you can't. Next, tail to tail is wrong. So always you have to add a head to tail. This is right one. So always while adding two vectors, one vectors that head should be coincide with the another vector of the tail. So head, tail if you are adding is, that is a wrong method. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ना? Now to get resultant of two vectors, so first vector ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, as it is draw here. So these vectors you can displace from here to here or here to here, but you cannot change the direction. ಈ direction ಒಳಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ same direction you can replace anywhere, but the direction should not be changed. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Now this is what? A, O and A, small a. Distance, length of this vector, how much it is? OA. OA gives what? Vector A. Now you have to add this vector to this vector. How you are going to add? So tail of the vector B should coincide with the head of the vector A. Please remember this one. Second vector the end tail point ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು head vector the head of the vector A ga coincide ಆಗಬೇಕು. Here this is what? B. This direction indicating B na. So this O is merging here. Now this is B. This total length, this is resultant vector R, that gives A plus B. Erdono plus madiri. Same direction, that's why this is what? Tail. This is what? Head. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಇದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? Is it clear or not? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ದ ಟೇಲ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾ, ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ, head of the vector A. Is it clear? Now second one, addition of two anti-parallel vectors or anti-collinear vectors. So addition of two anti-parallel. Here it is a parallel and here it is a anti-parallel. And anti-collinear ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು opposite direction ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So let us consider first vector is A. Let us take it as a X and Y. You can name anyone. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಲೆಟರ್ ನೀವು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. A to Z, X, Y. Next, another vector is in opposite direction. Negative vectors, you can say it is a negative vector. All the three names are same only. Negative vector ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. But if it is magnitude is not equal means you can't consider it is a negative vector, is it? So if it is having the same magnitude means you can say negative. But we don't know whether it is a equal or unequal, that's why we need not to consider this negative vector. Maybe possible equal ittandre. Now this is vector B, second one, P Q, right? So I am adding two anti-parallel or anti-collinear vectors. How to add? What is the rule? Now first rule enagbeku, you are adding this vector to this vector means direction. So you can't add this tail to this tail. This is wrong method. Or you can't add idenadalla vector idannu ille tagondre head to head ಆಗ್ತದ, that is also wrong method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Just imagine ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಏನ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಟೇಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, it is wrong method. Tail to tail, it is not possible. Again this is arrow mark, this is a head method. Again you are placing here means head to head, it is wrong, it is also not possible. Then how to do? So see here, it is in opposite direction means you can take it as a reverse. ಇದು in direction ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡ್ತದ, minus. So instead of P you can draw minus P. This is what Q P. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ P ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಮೈನಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ Q to P. ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ another vector y a. Now the resultant vector, how to write in this direction? Resultant r is equals to a minus b. Can we write? First positive ಬರ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ. This is what again tail and head. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ? ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನಿದೆ? ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್, ಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಬರುವಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This part is understood? Clear? Right. Take one more. And two vectors are adding at some angle. addition of two vectors inclined at some angle, right? So you are adding the two vectors, how they are inclined in the slope. Consider two vectors. This is vector A and another vector in this direction. This is vector B. So I am considering the two vectors, one vector as vector A and another vector as B. Now how to add these two? First vector keep as it is, and this second vector B is there, just displace here. At the same direction ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ tail point and head point both are coinciding. Just draw here in this direction. This is what B, this is A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? At inclined ಇದ್ದಾಗ, some angle ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಎಷ್ಟು angle we don't know. Now name this length, magnitude length. ಏನಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Let us take it as a O. This will be P and this will be Q. So always while adding two vectors, those two vectors are in the same direction ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Then resultant will be in the opposite direction. So ಇದ್ರದ್ದು resultant ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? This direction will be opposite. ಇವೆರಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? both are opposite to each other. ಇದೇ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. How they are opposite? Resultant will be in this direction and addition of two vectors in the same direction. So by combining these two vectors and resultant vector, the side gives what? Triangle na? ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ triangle ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? Yes or no? So how we are getting triangle here? By adding sides of two vectors and the resultant vector side, it gives a triangle. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? This is what? Resultant R. Vector A plus vector B. Is it clear? If two vectors you are going to add, while adding you are having certain angle, then you should write R equals to A plus B, but the direction is very important. Resultant direction is always opposite to these two vectors. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Is it clear? Now if two vectors are pointing in a different directions, they are moving, they are acting in a different directions, then how we are going to add? What are the rules here? ಯಾವ ತರ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? There is a certain three laws are there or rules are there. What are those? One is triangular vector addition and the parallelogram vector addition and polygon vector addition. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮೂರು ರೂಲ್ಸ್? when you are going to apply when the two vectors are moving in a different directions, they are acting, they are pointing in the different directions. Right here, addition of two vectors pointing in the different directions. So when two vectors are moving or acting in different directions, then you can apply the rules or laws. What are those laws? To add such vectors, we can use, mute your mobile, the following laws of vector addition, in that first one. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್. ಯಾರದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೆಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ law of vector addition, and third one polygon law of vector addition. So these three laws are helping us to add the vectors which are pointing or moving in the different directions. Is it clear? And these two laws are very very important for 5 marks and 3 marks. They may ask definition or a derivation. Ball important amma. Right? Writing part is over. Or still you are writing? Is done. Now look at the board. Stop writing. I am considering the two vectors. One is in this direction and another is in this direction. Look at the board everyone. So I am considering again two vectors. Those two vectors are having different directions. So what is our heading here? We are adding the two vectors. They are acting in the different directions. How we are going to add? Just look at here. I am writing vector A as it is in this direction. Now I am displacing this second vector. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. How we are going to add? ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ರೂಲ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಟೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಏನಿದೆ ರೀ? ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ coinciding the head of the first vector. Tail of the second vector B should be coincide with the head of the first vector. So ಎರಡು same direction ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆನಾ? Now add these 2 points. Let us take it as a O, P and Q. This will be what your resultant R. So ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇವೆರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೇಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್. ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ addition of two vectors, the two vector side gives and this resultant side gives what? 3 sides. That makes a triangle. That's why this method is also known as a triangular method of vector addition. Simple. I am considering the two vectors. Those two vectors are pointing in different directions. So those two different directions vectors we can add by using a triangular method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. then join these 2 points, you will get a resultant R. So resultant R can be written as A plus B. So one more thing, here vectors are arranged head to tail. Here vectors are arranged by head to tail. Therefore, this graphical method is known as head to tail method or triangular method of vector addition. Head to tail method or a triangular method of vector addition. Yeah, same. No, you won't take minus. Normal agi up, down, left, right ಆ ತರ addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to go for a plus minus sign. So in this direction it is not particularly at y axis, not at exactly x axis. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, pointing in different directions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, so one more addition I will tell here. Exactly, vertical and horizontal ittandre you can take a plus and a minus, you can change it. The same vector here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಹೌದಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. How? This is what vector B. Now the second vector is what, vector A. Just to take here, it is head is there, means what you will take, the tail point of vector A should be in this direction. This is what, A. Now these two are in this direction, means its opposite direction will be your resultant. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? Is it clear? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ fixing the first vector, second vector and displacing the second vector. First vector ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ, second vector tail point ಅಲ್ಲಿ head point coincide ಆಗೋ ಹಂಗ displace ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Is it clear? So now here from this point to this point and this point to this point, both are same direction and this opposite direction gives what, a resultant R. That is first ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B bar plus A bar. Here A plus B is equals to B plus A. Example 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is known as a commutative law. Commutative law. We'll discuss next class. So this vector obeys commutative law. That is A plus B. Here it is B plus A. Both gives same answer, same resultant. Now it is clear, Baba? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಓವರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಪೂರ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನೀಟಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲ್, ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ರೆಡ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೆನ್, ಐದರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲೂ. ಬಾಲ್ ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Is finished. Now put a side heading. First one, first law or first rule or first method. What is that? Triangular method of vector addition. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Don't write wrong things. Is it clear? Is it over? Can I erase? So first one, which method? Triangular law of vector addition. 2 marks statement. Here bhal important and derivation also there, and this method is used to solve the problems also. Very important. Concentrate. First statement atho definitions barkodi. Statement: if two vectors represented both in magnitude and direction by the two sides of the triangle in the same direction or same order, you can use the word here order or a direction, both are same. So the two sides of the triangle are same direction. Then what happens? Resultant direction ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Opposite order ದಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ just explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, based on that only. Then the resultant vectors of resultant vector of these two vectors represents both magnitude and direction by the third side of the triangle in the opposite order or a direction. This is the statement. Same ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. So this statement here, two vectors. So ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. So those two are on the same side of the triangle, ಹೌದಾ? So here it is a one vector A and another vector. So it indicates the direction in this direction, and the vector B this direction, vector B. So according to the statement, these two vectors are indicating both magnitude and direction, and these two are two sides of the triangle, and those two are in the same direction, same order. Then what happens? Resultant also indicates both magnitude and direction, and it is the third side of this triangle, and the third side is opposite to these two sides. Artha agtidena? This is the statement. This will give a resultant R. If you want, mention here P, Q, S, because R is here. Artha aita statement? The statement is clear or not? Very simple, amma. You are considering the two vectors, and those two vectors indicating both magnitude and direction, and those two vectors having the same order. Two sides of the triangle in the same order or same direction, then what happens about resultant? The resultant also indicating magnitude and direction, but in the opposite direction. It is the third side of this triangle. Is it clear? This is the statement for a triangle of vector addition. Any doubt in statement? Girls, reply me. No doubt? Okay. Now we are going to derive the derivation for triangular vector addition. So just to draw here, I am going to consider neat draw madri. One the horizontal tagori, that is vector A, and another vector in this direction. Let us take it as a vector B and draw the resultant. This will be R vector in this direction. Ille direction ಎರಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now name it as O, P and it is Q. This is what a triangle. Okay? Now just everyone look at the board. I am doing some correction here, some changes here. What is that? So I am extending this OP line up to point D. Just I am extending this line up to point D. ಏನು extra arrangements ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ dotted line ಇಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And one more line I am drawing perpendicular to this OD line. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು perpendicular line ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ perpendicular ಎದಕ್ಕಿದೆ? OD line. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So if it is a perpendicular means it is 90 degree and this will be theta and this will be alpha. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾಳೆಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೇಡ